can use Azure subscription to define the boundaries around the Azure products, services and resources. There are two types of subscription boundaries that you can use. So the one will be related to the billing, the other one is related to the access control. Let us see about the billing boundary. So this is like a subscription type determines how an Azure account is built for use Azure. You can create multiple subscriptions for different types of billing requirements, and Azure will generate a separate billing reports and invoices for each subscription so that you can organize and manage costs. So this is like whenever you have an organization, you will have a multiple departments or multiple subscriptions you might need. So basically your billing is going to be on the organization level, and whatever the subscriptions subscriptions you have, all those billing will comes under that organization. So how much ever you are going to use in that particular subscription, but the consolidated all the subscriptions will be sent to organization. That is what about the billing boundary. The next one will be the access control boundary, where Azure will apply access management policies at the subscription level, and you can create a separate subscriptions to reflect different organization structure. For an example, within a business you have a different departments to which you apply a distinct Azure subscription policies. So there might be a organization and you have a different departments in that particular organization, and you need to apply a separate policies. Okay, imagine for particular department like electric department is there, for that you had a subscription. For that subscription alone you have a separate policies you need to apply. For a computer department it may be a different policies and it may be a different subscription, but you have to apply a policies on that particular department. So this allows you to manage and control access to a resource that users provision with a specific subscription. So basically you will have a one sort of subscription where it will have a control over the access. That is what the access control boundary means. So these are the two Azure subscriptions that are available at present.